Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another wreath knot. This is the Sublime Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Gonna come over, put in a dimple, bring it over to the center. And we're gonna come around. I'm gonna come up and over like this. Then I'm gonna come through here, back where I just came from. And it'll be nice and flat. Then I'm going to do a wreath. I'm just gonna kind of go back, then up and over. I'm gonna actually keep it folded in half, come around, still fold it in half, come around again, back over the top. We're gonna do another wreath, around like so, and then I'm going to leave it folded in half, come back where I came from, put it in like so. There you have the Sublime Wreath knot. Oh, no, it's all my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.